In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Gmail on your laptop. Whether you're new to email or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you can easily access your inbox whenever you need to. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open a web browser on your laptop. You can use any browser of your choice, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Each of these browsers can access Gmail, so just go with the one you're comfortable with or usually use. If you haven't chosen a browser yet, most people find Google Chrome to be user-friendly and efficient for tasks like these. Once you've settled on your browser, look for the icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder and double-click to open it. Now that your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the Gmail website. In the address bar at the top of your browser, type in mail.google.com. This is Gmail's official address, and it'll take you straight to the login page. Once you've typed in the address, hit the Enter key on your keyboard. You should be redirected to Gmail's main page. The next step involves signing in to your Gmail account. On the login page, there should be a prompt asking for your email address or phone number linked to your Gmail account. Carefully enter this information and then click the Next button. Now, you'll be asked to enter your password. Make sure you type it in correctly, avoiding any errors with capitalization or special characters. After entering your password, click Next again. Sometimes, when you visit the Gmail page, you might land on a description or information page instead of the login page. If this happens, don't worry. Simply look towards the top right corner of the page and you should see a Sign In button. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page where you can proceed with entering your credentials. And there you have it. You're now successfully signed into your Gmail account on your laptop. Remember, this same process applies no matter what type of laptop or browser you are using. The Gmail website is designed to be universally accessible, ensuring a seamless experience. If you're planning to use Gmail frequently, consider bookmarking the page for quick access in the future. And that concludes our guide for today. Thanks for tuning in and happy emailing.